All right, so let's say, for example, you want to start your project. So um, we can go to live settings. I forgot to mention about plugins. So you can have it scan and you can turn these things on and off and mess around with this. So, and then scan, and then you can see your plugins. So now with this lesson, I just want to help clear the confusion about how it's set up. So you see this? This is important because this is how you access all your samples, right? And all your files. So you click this one. This is a browser, right? And so we can practice that, opening and closing your browser, searching. Okay. So we're going to focus this lesson on the browser. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at collections. So you can click on edit and you can make certain collections. So let's say, for example, you want to make, you just right click and you rename